Well, some 1920s, 1930 Grimwades Atlas sub-brand, and this is 7335, I think, from memory, the actual pattern reference. It's not, I think, printed by the decorators on this beautiful, elegant coffee pot, but on the Demi-Tasse coffee cups and saucers that accompany a beautiful spring bouquet or garden border little montage here of irises with some harebells and other flowers coming up. Lovely decoration picked up on this very thin, slender and tall spout coming right the way up to the level with the actual lid. Large loop handle, again little blocks of decoration that they've squeezed in behind the handle, on the front behind the spout as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Particularly love, let's just show you this little locking lid mechanism. Do you see that? While they've got the two little latches in there with insets cut out into the lid that then rotates round and locks beautifully. That's probably why it survives so well during its long life. Porcelain, translucent, look at the shadowing coming through. That's bone china, lovely thin. Two gorgeous blocks of transfer design, and just look how clean that is inside. Nothing stopping you using this as a loose leaf teapot as well. If you look, they've gone to the trouble of putting a sieve retainer in the base of the spout, so it would take loose leaf tea and have a multi-function. But it was, I'm sure, intended initially as a coffee set, because we've got the Demi-Tasse coffee cups and saucers and the very delicate small, which we're about to list, small milk jug and sugar bowl that goes with this set. Absolutely gorgeous, beautifully decorated, and in cabinet collector's condition. No condition notes on this one at all. Glaze, the transfer and hand coloured prints, beautifully done. Absolutely gorgeous and elegant design and shape. All the measurements will be on the website listing, and we'll try and put it so that it's got the associated products showing in the same pattern. But if you do search on the website on the pattern number and Grimwades or Atlas, it should pull all the pieces that we've got on catalogue. Thanks for watching.